Hi everyone, I just want to do a quick video to explain what we're going to be doing over the next couple of weeks because I'm aware that some of you missed the last week. So what's going to happen is I'm going to set work every week on Teams. So if you go into the Files tab and under the Home Learning folder, you'll see a Word document with some activities and some notes for you to make. I'm also going to set 2 assignments each week. One of them will be a child language assignment, and one of them will be a revision assignment from something that you'll have done in first year. The reason that I'm doing this is that we just don't know how you're going to be assessed yet. So from what I understand so far, it's going to go on our decision as teachers, but I think we will have to submit evidence for this. So I think the more that you're doing and treating it as seriously as you can, it'd be really useful just for me to kind of see where you are at this level and see if I can get you any higher. So I'm going to be operating through Teams. If you are struggling in any way, please let me know. Send me an email or message me on Teams. That's absolutely fine. I also want you to use Teams to chat to each other as well and keep in contact with each other. I know that we left quite abruptly last week, and it came as a shock to everyone, myself included. So it'd be really, really nice just to kind of keep in touch with each other, post what you've been doing, what you've been watching on Netflix, anything silly but appropriate would be very, very welcome. I hope you're all doing good. It's been really, really great teaching you this year. I mean, I've not finished teaching you, but yeah, it's been really good getting to know you over the past year. So hopefully over the next month or so, we can really get some stuff ironed out. But yeah, any questions, please let me know. If anything is unclear, remember this is new for me too. I've never taught in this way before. So if anything isn't clear, just send me an email or message me on Teams. Right, see you guys later.